did an analysis before uploading, so I'm going to do this again. Keep it simple. I've already did the analysis yesterday, guys. We hit a bearish target, uh, and the price is still under the resistance, guys. So I mentioned we have to keep an eye out here. So this area may act as support, and it has acted as support. So, but according to the 4H, guys, to become truly bearish, we need to break above bullish. We need to break above 1.33707. So the AI also did its analysis, its validation. The point was same as ours. The targets are 1.33067 and the next target is 1.32619. And if the price breaks above this, guys, we will be going for 1.34295, guys. I did this analysis because in a hurry. Because guys, I already did the analysis. The video's been misplaced, so I'm redoing the video. I'll keep it short. So this is the AI analysis. This is my analysis for today. Yesterday's analysis was correct. We hit our target, and I hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow. We are looking kind of bullish, but we need to break above 1.33707 to become truly bullish. Keep this in mind, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.